Hey, what's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin with another video here. What I want to do, okay, in 5 minutes, I want to show you how complete newbies, okay, how they earn $10,000, okay, per month in 30 days. Okay, listen up here. It's this model that I created a couple of years ago when I was struggling in the internet business here, right? The laptop business here. Before I get started, I want everybody to write this down, okay? OPI model, okay? It is the OPI model. Now listen, if you're a brand new person on the internet, if you're a beginner, if you don't know what the hell you're doing here, if you listen here, I'm going to show you step by step in 5 minutes what you need to focus on to create your first product, digital product, online in the next 30 days to make $10,000. Now listen, it's a disclaimer. If you don't work it, if you don't follow exactly what I'm about to show you on my laptop here, it's not going to work for you, okay? So this is what I want you to do. Take a deep breath, okay? And write down below OPI model, okay? So let me turn my camera around. First thing you need to do is this. What I like to do whenever I create a brand new product here, I put in concentration music. Listen to this, okay? I'm going to give it to you for free. Go ahead and smash the like button because I'm going to give you a ton of value in this video. Now, it's important to play music for you to concentrate on the product as you build it on the computer, okay? Does that make sense? So write that down, screenshot that, go to YouTube, type in concentration music. That's very important. That's step one. You got it? Smash the like button if you heard me clearly here, okay? Now listen, the next thing is you need to go to clickbank.com or digistore.com. Now, let me explain something here. Let me turn the camera around one more time because you need to hear this clearly here. Now, understand something. I have to be very, very transparent. When I started online, ClickBank was the first website that I spent 7 years on, and I didn't make any money, okay? For 7 years, I made $0. Why? Because I was stupid. And let me tell you why I was stupid. Because I thought, I'm not calling you stupid, but I was. I thought that what I thought as an ideal, the things that I wanted to do was going to work. Many of you, now listen, this is powerful. This will save you 5 years of failure. A lot of you believe that your dream, your passion, the thing that you want to do to make money will. But that's not necessarily true. I created a company 7 years ago. It was called 7dayfitness.com. Listen, I actually thought that overweight people will work out for 7 days a week for 7 minutes. And guess what? They didn't, okay? Listen, it's a very important lesson in business. You have to know and realize what's working and what's not. And you have to know when to pivot, okay? So let me turn my camera back around here and let's get started. Smash the like button if you're willing to change your ways to make money online to fund the dream. Because sometimes the dream or the passion, it just won't make you money. I'm going to be honest with you, okay? Like I said, I'm going to be very transparent in this video. And I know you love when I'm transparent. Let's go. So you go to clickbank.com. Now we're going to start here, because this was the company that paid me a bunch of money when I jumped on their platform, but you need the steps to do this. So what you want to do is, I have 3 minutes left. You're going to create your account here. Now, this is all you have to do. Just pay close attention. And I have a detail, and I'll whiteboard this out in the description below. I'll leave a link if you need any help, okay? I'm going to log into one of my accounts here. Write this down. This is what OPI means. Other people's ideals, okay? Write that down. Other people's ideals. I want everybody to write that down. Listen, let me turn my camera back around again because I want you to understand this clearly here. Listen, I am not saying that your ideals are not legitimate. I'm not saying that they won't work. What I'm saying is this. If you've been struggling online or in business for 2 to 3 to 5 years, there's something wrong. I'm not saying that your creation or your idea is not a great one. What I'm saying is it's just not making you any money, okay? So this is what all great, powerful internet marketers do on the planet here. We use other people's ideas and not just us. Burger King, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Raising Cane's, Bank of America, Chase Bank. Everybody uses everybody model. Why? Because it works, okay? So listen, that's what you want to do. It's other people's ideas. So what you do here, I'm going to speed up here. I got about 2 minutes left. You go to Marketplace, right? You click this button right here because you want to see all the products. Now understand this. What you want to do is only look at and focus your energy on products that are on the first page of ClickBank here if you're using that platform, okay? If you're using Digital Store, all you do is you go to Marketplace. You only want to focus on products right here, okay, that are on the first page because these are the products that you're going to model. Write down the word model. Understand this, millionaires, billionaires, we always model others that are already successful, okay? Makes sense? So what you do is when you click on the program, say if you want to model a program such as Overnight Millionaire by Wesley Virgin. That's easy. All you need to do is go to his sales page right here. And all you do is this. Now, this is the secret. All you need to do is watch the content and model everything that I'm doing here. You're going to watch the VSL, okay? And like I said before, in the link in the description below, I have a link if you need me to whiteboard this out, okay? In that link, it's online help. I'll mentor you and I'll show you the process. It's a little bit more in depth. But I got about 60 seconds right now. So listen, what you need to do is you need to buy the product. Why? Because you're going to model this. You need to buy the product and you need to buy every single upsell. Now listen, I'm not telling you that because I want you to buy my product. It don't have to be my product, okay? It can be anybody's product. But listen, this is exactly what I did when I was sleeping on the air mattress, when I was sick and tired. I was going to seminars, right? Check it out. Let me show you something here. I was reading books all the time, right? But understand that even though books and seminars are great, but guess what? They won't make you rich and motivation won't make you rich as well. They're additive. They're ingredients to become rich. But you have to do the right thing. Listen! You have to do the right thing at the right time to make money in business, which means you got to get smart and you have to understand what's working and what's not working. Don't spend 5 and 10 years on something that is not paying you any money. Listen, use other people's ideas. The greatest people on the planet do this, okay? Now listen, in the description below, I leave a link if you want me to whiteboard it out. Okay, those videos are about a couple of hours, but I would take you step by step through every process. I would show you how to find the product, how to write the ebook, how to get somebody else to write the book for you. I'll teach you how to get other people to write the book. I will show you basically how to create the copy to model somebody else's copy and post it online like yourself. It's powerful, okay? And listen, I know what you're thinking. That's plagiarism. That's wrong. It's not, okay? A burger is a burger, right? It's the same meat that's at McDonald's and at Burger King, but yet they're making billions of dollars. It's the same money that's in banks around the world, but yet these banks are making billions of dollars. Listen, you got to get smart. If not, you're going to be poor, you're going to be average, you're going to be bitter and upset at other people like me that are winning. This is your opportunity right now. In the description below, if you want me to whiteboard it out, all right? I'm going to show you my whiteboard because I got about 30 seconds here. Countdown. Go ahead and smash the like button if this made sense. Let me show you something here. You see this whiteboard? Once you click that link, I'm going to whiteboard this entire process out on how to go from $0 to $10,000 in 30 to 60 days, guaranteed if you follow everything that you see on the whiteboard. I'll leave the link below. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley